Okay, please come down there so we can start the show. Thank you.
Yeah, explosive? Okay, okay, so you're being kind of guarded.
And I don't want her to take off her clothes.
Right, okay,
So,
okay, yeah,
I
yeah,
actually can, or
right,
down.
right, right. I was wondering, I'm going, you know, just leave it alone, let it breathe. I didn't know what you're doing.
I hope that the more she comes, the more she said, oh,
Even Hannah can figure this out.
Was there a lot of horses in the ring?
there were. It was really empty, but I think the problem is there's all the people on the side.
And that stuff, yeah, all the
And
activity.
all the people that we had was eating Shakespeare's and they're all
Yeah, sure. You know, you have all that activity over there. So that was good. Letting her look, and when you were standing in the line, just walk all the way around. You know by then if she's acting up, you're just in there for fun. So you don't let her see the side, close the